At first, what you will do here, you will draw horizontal line, and don't forget the sharp pencil. Okay, then use in this case also in the center here 2 centimeters up, 2 centimeters down by very light pencil, 1, 2, that is, until 2 here. Okay, at the same, make also 1, 2, make like bold point here, another 1, 2, make a bold point, 1, 2, bold point, 1, 2, another bold point. Okay, here this one, that is the focal point, and at the center, and here we have another focal point and another center. Okay, then start to make semicircle, start from up to down, here, and then make the same, that is the convex lens. Now, okay, at first, convex lens make converge, that's mean collecting the all rays, collecting the all rays. If the ray is coming from the sun, as example, okay, far away from the center and also from the focal, in this case, you will draw it until the half, that's, you draw at first the light one, okay? And don't forget to make the head of the eye. Another line also should be here, parallel to the center. Same, and as I told you, don't move forward and backward. Okay, only one way. Then draw it, put the head. Any parallel line, any parallel ray will make refraction, and this refraction should pass through the focal point. Okay, so if I draw here several parallel rays, several parallel rays, any ray like this, so what will happen at the end? Okay, it will make refraction passing through the focal point. This focal or focus point here, we have 2 focal points for the lens. In front of it, that's for the part of object here, and the other side, that is the image. So what will happen for this image? Passing through the focal point here, and pay attention, like this. From the middle also. Don't stop the ray on the front of the lens or at the end of lens. It should be in the middle. So I told you to make a light light line to be perfectly. Don't forget the head of the eye. Next one will pass through the focal point. Third will pass through the focal point. And then the last one here, pass through the focal point. So we can say the all light is concentrated now on the focal point. Right? Let us do the same, but now we'll put the object close, like to before the center. What we'll say? At first, as we said, the line, then make vertical 2 centimeters, 1, 2, more light, 1, 2 down, also still light. Then take 2 centimeters, Shabab, focus with me, please. 1, 2, that is bold 1, that's focal point in the center, or the 4, 2 centimeter, another 2 centimeters. Then here we have the focal point, and this one the center, and here the focal point dash and center dash. Collect this part, make semicircle, the semicircle like this, semicircle here. Okay, attention, don't leave it too complete, it should be on the end. Then we draw now the length, this length here, as we said, it is convex length. Convex length is converge, not diverge. Okay? Then take only 1 centimeter enough, 1 centimeter enough, okay, to be the object here. And make that is the tail and that is the head of the object. That is the head of the object. How can we draw this one? At first, you will draw one parallel here. To draw it perfectly, don't use it like this. Flip the paper and then be sure it is parallel to the center here. This line should be parallel. Okay? Move one way to the middle. Okay? Any parallel, as we said, it should pass through the focal point. Right? It should pass through the focal point here. Move, passing through the focal point. Don't forget the head of this arrow and direction. Second one, okay, what we'll do? We have two ways. The first way, passing through the core or the center here directly from the head. Okay? In this case, no refraction takes place on it. The cross here, it is the image. This image, the head is down here. I think he notes now the size of object is larger than the size of image. It is real, so you can receive it on a screen. It is inverted, not in the same case, not vertically like this one. It is down, so it is inverted. Okay? What do you think if we close it to the center? Make the same. What we'll do? Who tell me? What we'll do next after this line? Vertical line. 2 centimeters is good. Someone said that, okay, mister, can I make it, okay, 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters? It's okay. But if you make it 2, make the other 2. Make this one 3, make the others also 3. Okay, to be perfect. Here in this case, we'll take also 2 centimeters in the both two sides. Here 1, 2, and that is focal point, and that's the center, and here another 1, and that's the center. Okay? Draw the semicircle for finding one face of the length. What is the name of this length?
Convex.
Convex, conversion. It's okay. Now we have the focal point, the center, that is F dash and C dash. Okay? What we'll do next? The object